Hello everyone. So for my note-taking tool, I decided to use OneNote online since I already have an account set up for it, and I use my Microsoft email to set up my account. So as you can see, I have 5 notebooks in this OneNote. I have my theme topic, which is sea animals for this class, example notes, which I had on my computer, and then I have school, which is for my school resources, and then I also have Chi Alpha notes that relate to both Purdue and Ivy Tech. So the ones I created were sea animals, school, and Purdue and Ivy Tech Chi Alpha. So as you can see in school, I have my semester schedule for the spring of 2019, which is this semester, and it just shows the days the classes are and what times and the name of the class. And another notebook I have is sea animals, and this talks about what sea animals are. So they live in land while others live in water. They incorporate both males and females. They're mammals, and then they also have, like I showed, their body parts. So a website here I have is it just like breaks down the animals species by species. And then Baby Shark for dance for kids, so it can help them learn like the different creatures of the family, and it'll also help with them help entertain them and help them with their gross motor movement. And then finally, I have some pictures of some sea animals.